The Networks page is where the creation and orchestration for secure networks and private cellular networks takes place. In secure networks, administrators orchestrate zero-trust-based network services between routers and a service gateway, which can be customer-managed or be between routers and the cloud, for cloud delivery. This page lists all Secure Connect networks in an account. Secure Connect is a VPN or APN replacement and the foundation for other services. With a Zero Trust foundation, all Secure Connect sites and site groups, resources, and policies are defined in this section of NetCloud Manager. Policies are implemented in the network through either the virtual or on-prem service gateway or the cloud-deployed NetCloud SASE option. Set policies to deny or allow site traffic and web categories in the Access tab. Under traffic steering, applications can be classified and directed to WAN links based on performance requirements by category. Traffic that requires direct access to the internet can also be set up through these policies. The Network Status Dashboard gives you a quick view of how your network is performing. It makes it easy to spot potential issues by letting you dive deeper into key data metrics. This includes network status information about how the network is performing, including AI ops information such as network faults, affected users, sites, and applications. Service gateway performance data, which includes CPU, memory, and bandwidth data. Traffic analysis data, which includes visual summaries of allowed and denied traffic. And security data. This includes data related to web reputation and intrusion prevention. From the Network section of NetCloud Manager, you can also manage, automate, and troubleshoot a private cellular network and its components. These include the mobility gateway, cellular access points, and private SIMs. NetCloud Manager orchestrates an end-to-end private cellular network solution alongside other edge and WAN solutions.